Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. Today we are going to have our second class in Arabic. Last time, or the class before this one, we spoke about the letter A, which is supposedly alif as a word, A, which is equal to A. But remember, in Arabic we don't have A, so you have to say A. And before we go to the second letter, just to refresh your memory and to clear any confusion, because some of you maybe don't understand what I said about this letter does not accept to be connected from the left. When I say that, doesn't mean all the letters, I mean this letter. In Arabic, there's a few letters they don't accept to be connected from the left, and this is one of them. I will give you an example of those letters for now, like as a fast info. Alif, and then we have wa, za, ra, da, tha. So those letters, as you see, let me make them more clear. A, the first one, as you see, this is A. You see, I'm writing on the screen, and this is like it's not fixed in that thing. So this is the A, and this is Wa, the second one. And then remember, we are reading from the right to the left. Don't be confused. All right, this is Arabic. In Arabic, we read and write from the right to the left. So I'm starting with the letter Alif, A, Wa, za, or we call it zain, za, ra, da, tha. Those letters, they don't accept any connection from the left. Alright, so if they are the first letter anyway, they have to be free because it is the first letter and they don't accept connection from the left. Did we get it? I think it's very simple. So when you see those letters, you put in your mind that those letters, we cannot connect them from the left. It doesn't matter if they are at the end. At the end anyway, there is nothing in the left, right? Remember, we are writing in the language from right to left. So if they are at the end, well, they can be connected from the right, but anyway, they are at the end, so there is nothing in the left anyway. If they are in the beginning, they have to be free, connected not from the right, not from the left. Why? Because they are the first letter anyway, and they can't be connected from the left. So I think the issue here is clear. However, if there is any of you did not understand what I'm saying, please let me know. All right, so we can clear it out for you, and we can make it simple. So from this side of the letter, we cannot connect for those letters only, not for the whole alphabet. Take a note. So don't think I'm saying that for the whole alphabet. So alif, wa, za, ra, da, tha. Now later we will we did not take those letters yet. We took only alif, or which is a. But for now, just take a note about those letters, and in the future we will repeat to remind you about them. Now we will go to the letter after, or the second letter in the alphabet, which is the letter ba. This is the letter ba. Let us show you. Here we go. This is how it looked like in English next to it, ba. But as I said, remember, I don't like you to remember letters in English. Remember them as it is in Arabic. Don't focus in the English. No, you know that, because if you focus in English, you are not learning Arabic. You are just learning English. This is why I don't like to have those next to them. But just in the beginning, I will accept. But after that, we will not use the Latin letters to learn, because this is not right. So this is ba. Ba is different from the letter A, which means it can and accept connection from the right and from the left. This is why we gave you a bunch of letters which they don't accept connection. If you remember, we just mentioned to you a, we will make it red, zain, we will make it red, da is equal to d in like dog in English, the, ra. So those letters, there is no way they can accept connection from the left. They cannot. This family of letters. Now ba accept connection from the right, from the left. There's no problem, which make it a lot easier to remember how it works. So this is the letter ba by itself. Remember, like you will notice here, when we say a letter in Arabic, any letter by itself, as if we are adding a at the end. Like notice, I said ba, as if there is at the end, as if I'm saying ba, you know, to make it more simple for you. Notice with me what I'm saying. Ba. Let me make it big, just to make it clear for you in the Latin letter. But in fact there is no a here, but in the sound there is a. So I'm saying ba. So if we read the alphabet, we will see as if we are adding a to every letter, as long we are reading the alphabet alone, remember. So a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, tha, ra. And I'm giving you the letter as a plain, not as a name. As I said, Arabic letters, they have a name. So like we say alif, ba, ta. I'm not doing that now. Don't be confused. This is the letter, plain letter alone. As we said before, to refresh your memory, every letter in Arabic have a name, like same as we said for alif. All right, but this is not important. You will not use it anyway. So let us focus on the letters by itself as it is, because this is what you will use, this is what you will need. Ba, you will notice as if there is a at the end, but there is no, it's a sound only. All right, which mean something we call in Arabic fatha. Fatha will make the sound as if there is a at the end. Later we'll give you those valves, and there is movement you put in the top of the Arabic letters, and they will make you change the sound for them. However, all the letters, when we pronounce them by themselves, they come as if there is a at the end. All right, so this is ba, as we see here, and this is how it's written in the beginning of the word. You see the letter how it is in the beginning, and this is how it is between, which means between two letters, which means you can connect. You see the line there, you can connect from the right, you can connect from the left, and this is how it is at the end. So I will connect my tablet. The reason I'm not connecting my tablet right away, for some reason this tablet crashed my computer if I connect it for a while. So now I will connect my, I need to get a new one, something better. So let us connect. So we will show you how we write it down. All right, I think we are good to go. So here let us write to you. Look with me here. In the beginning, this is how we draw the letter. It's very simple. It's not really that complicated. It is like you have, if you have a knife and you have an edge, and you go down and then you put a dot. That's in the beginning. Then if it is in the middle, you make a line, then an edge, then a line, and that is in the middle. If it's at the end, you make a line, and then you bring the letter always to the older shape, which mean any letter, remember this, letters at the end of the word, they come back to the original. This is the original, you see it in the circle. This is the original way of the letter. So when the letter at the end, it goes back to the original. In the beginning, it's not in the original look, as you see. This is the in the beginning. This is in the middle. Now let me clean that. We do it again. This is ba in the original. This is ba in the beginning. This is ba in the middle, and this is ba at the end. At the end, it goes back to the original, but still there is a line to connect, remember, right? Letter ba accept connection from the right and from the left, so there is no different. However, at the end of the word, always, most, like there is no like exception, mostly Arabic letters, they go back to the original shape, so they look as we see them here when they are at the end. They change their look in the beginning, as we see here, and they change their look when they are in the middle. But it's very simple, and later you will see how easier I'm going to make it for you, how to write in Arabic. It's going to be very easy, because the way I do it in school, by the way, they don't teach this way. There's no way you will see at school teacher they will do this, because if they do this, people will finish very fast and nobody will pay tuition. So they make it slow, boring, etc. So this is the second letter. It's very easy. Ba as a letter is different from the letter alif, as we showed you. The letters who they are disconnected, we showed you in the screen which one. We can go back again up so you can see them again. All right, alif, a, da, tha, ra, za, or we call it zain. So those letters, we don't connect them at all from the left, but from the right we can. The rest, as we see, it is fine, there's no problem, we can connect them. I hope this is very clear for you, and this will be the video for the letter ba. It's very simple, very easy, and I will go right away after to the letter ta after that. Please, if you have any question, don't forget to post, because if you do not ask your questions, I will not be able to answer them. Remember that, right? So help me post your question. In the coming video I will make it clear if there is any kind of confusion from your side. In the same time, please don't forget to subscribe and support what we do. We always welcome donation if you guys care. Thank you, God bless, and see you with the coming video.